Greetings, dear friends! In this video, we will show you how to recover MS SQL database tables from backup created by Handy Backup. Open Handy Backup and create a new task. Select Restoration and check the Use Advanced Mode option. This mode allows accessing all recovery functions as well as restoring data to some place other than original location. On step 2, select a backup copy location used by an appropriate backup task. In this case, we will have a backup copy on a desktop, so select Computer from a big list of plugins and open the desktop folder inside it. Open the subfolder 0 and select the file backup HBI. There, click Next. Step 3 allows selecting a place to restore from backup. In advanced mode, click onto the Change Location button to restore your database copy to another place. Select New Storage among available options. Note that you can select not only another MS SQL server or location to restore data, but any conventional data storage instead, like a cloud or a local folder. You can also create a new connection by selecting the MS SQL plugin and clicking Create a connection. In a new connection dialog, give a name for this connection and enter the parameter for accessing MS SQL server. Now you can transfer MS SQL recovery to this connection freely. When completing recovery location, click Next. Step 4 is for full or incremental backup, with some setting for later case. Skip this step now. Step 5 allows scheduling recovery. Here you can set up a restoration task schedule or trigger this task to some system event like user logon. On step 6, you can force other software to run before or after a task, as well as select email notifications about task results. Again, skip this step. The last step is for naming your task. Here you can also view all task parameters. Click Finish and your task will run. Wait until the task will finish successfully. Congratulations! You just restore a MS SQL database automatically in advanced mode. We hope that this instruction was helpful for you. See you soon!